Guys, please be ready for dictation from the Hindu editorial section dated 24th November 2021. Ready? On her maiden visit to Asia, US Trade Representative Catherine Tai held bilateral meetings with Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal and relaunched the US India Trade Policy Forum under bracket TPF. A lot has transpired in the Indo US economic partnership in the 4 years since the TPF was last convened. From machinations towards a free trade agreement to the failure of even reach a mini trade deal towards the later half of the Donald Trump administration days. Instead of progress, there were setbacks, including raised import tariffs and the withdrawal of benefits to Indian exporters under the USA's Generalized System of Preferences under bracket GSP, which triggered retaliatory trade barbs that marque American business bracket start Harley Davidson and Ford have left. India has not helped optics even if their motivations may not have been solely linked to difficult trade norms. With the Joe Biden administration shutting the door on new trade pacts and being cold to restoring the GSP status, India must be ruining the hard stances that scuttled the chances of sealing a deal in the Trump era. Ms. Thai's visit offers a fresh reset chance. GSP restoration, she has said, could be considered while nudging India to set targets for tariff reductions and easing market access across sectors. The TPF statement also outlines the sectors and goods and services that need quick attention. Whatever misgivings may have existed at the beginning of the Biden administration, Ms. Thai's visit that follows trips by key US secretaries indicates US interest in engaging with India in significant spheres, that it looks at India as a key partner in rebuilding critical supply chains in a post pandemic world seeking to cut its dependence on China, is clear from its desire for integration in areas such as health, medical devices, and pharma. India's pharma exports account for 40% of the USA's generic drugs supply, and Ms. Tai has assuaged its concerns about delays in US regulatory inspections of pharma units. Her plain seeking that Indo US trade never really lives up to its potential and references to India's unpredictable regulatory shifts, tariff and non tariff barriers. As her priorities suggest, these talks have begun from a place more grounded in realism. This should serve as a wake up call from the government about its trade posture and spur a more open approach towards a market that will remain the most critical, irrespective of the trade deals it is seeking with other nations. While America's stance on India's proposal on IPR waivers from the COVID 19 vaccine and medicines will be watched at the upcoming WTO ministerial, India must seize this fresh initiative with the US to cement its place in the new supply chains being envisaged. For starters, it must proactively steer away from the protectionism that is leading the globalized world adrift.